What's good, everyone? It's Chris again, and we are here in West Sacramento, where I have my open house at. See how we take a look around the neighborhood. As you can see, it's pretty peaceful. Yeah, and then with West Sacramento, there's a lot of industrial services out here. Yeah, we're gonna take a look at that whenever you get a chance to see. And right now we're at the house that I have the open house at, and this one was listed at $395, which is technically 4-bedroom, 2-bath, but you'll see why I said technically in a second. And it's 1,605 square feet. Let's take a look around. Honestly, this is really, really nice. Staged so well. Excuse me, the staging was so well done. And as you are looking at this right now, this is technically the 4th bedroom. I mean, I probably would not consider it as a bedroom. Office space, nook, library. Bedroom though? I don't think so. Let's take a look at that. You see fresh new paint has been put on here, new flooring. I'm gonna start taking a look around. And this is a single-story family home. And what I've noticed lately is what's been trending is single-story family homes, and also multiple story homes with a downstairs bedroom and bath. Because now households are becoming multi-generational. So it's either you'll have a consumer and then their parents or their in-laws or their grandparents. As we're taking a look around. And you can see this is an open floor plan. All right, to the kitchen area. I'm gonna turn around so you can see all of it. And you see there's been new tile countertop with the cherry cabinets, new refrigerator. Yeah, you got your breakfast nook right here, as you can see. For sure. And then so with the floorings, this right here is the laminate. I would say the top 3 floors to have in high traffic areas would be wood, laminate, and then tile. Just because what's been trending lately, not too many people like carpet in the area because it traps a lot of dust and it gets dirty really, really quick. And it does take some time and effort to get it clean and to keep it clean. And with these kind of floors, it's just low maintenance. It stays fresh. And you notice I keep walking around because I still got some more to say. And if you do want to have like your home put on the market, what you'll need to do is, to get the most value for it, every space needs to serve a purpose, needs to have a functionality to it. Okay, because you see right here, you got your couch, 2 lamps, carpet, coffee table, those little things. And over here, in this corner, you got 2 chairs, 2 accent chairs, and it serves like a reading area. But the space over there, you got your office space. And then right here, you got your dining room area. So every space has a function to it, but is also not cluttered at the same time. And we'll go in the backyard for a little bit. The yard is pretty big. This is a pretty big lot for the size of the house. And it's low maintenance because it's no grass. It wouldn't take too much to keep it organized. And like I was saying, organizing the space. This right here, got your little patio set. Every space serves a purpose. It just flows better. So I was talking with a neighbor earlier during my open house, he was over here picking all the peaches. Because he's got so many peaches in the peach trees. Goodness. He had about 3 buckets full of the peaches, and then 1 5-gallon bucket full of peaches. So yeah, he's eating good. Recent AC. Going into the home. So yeah, it's pretty long. Long area. Oh, I hope everyone had a good 4th of July. I did. I do a little bit of sipping and grilling and sipping. I did have some mimosas though. All right. Check it back on in. Let's go back. Now we're gonna go right into the hallway for the bedrooms and the bathrooms. So let's first go left. As you can see over here, we got the first bathroom, Jack and Jill style. There you go. With the full bathtub and shower. Shower as well. Clash with the gold trimmings. I do like that. Right, let's come back over. Let's see the first bedroom. You got your first bedroom right here. Nicely set up. I'm thinking the F stands for Felicity, Felicia. One or the other. Decent sized closet space, as you will see. All right, let's go to the next bedroom. There you go. I'm thinking S. Excuse me. I'm thinking the S stands for Stacy, Sammy, Samantha, all that. Once again, pretty nice, decent closet space. There you go. Super nice. And I forgot to mention, this house was built in 2003. And you get your washer and dryer, super new, comes with the home. Once again, you get cherry wood cabinets. All right, let's go outside. All right, so you got your new garage engine right there. Oh, look at that, so you can see right there. Then you got your smart water setup right here. A little bit older, but it's still nice to have. You got your heater right there. And then that leads out to the backyard. A little bit of a setup for your workshop. Beginner setup for workshop. Let's go back inside. So now we're going down, so now we're gonna go down the hallway and we're gonna go to the master bedroom. Oh, I forgot, extra space right here, storage space. And then that right there is your coat closet, right there, all right. All right, let's take a look at this master. Set up really nicely, You also have the screen door to go right out to your backyard, to the patio. Enjoy something to drink. Bow. There you go. And yeah. This is your master. I'm gonna come back around so you can see its entirety in this way. Well, you see me all the way in the mirror right there. Cool. Okay. Let's go back around. Let's go and see. Closet space, walk-in closet. There we go. know if you can tell to see the depth from the closet, but I tried. And now we are in the master suite. So you see your chair right there, accent chair. You can do some makeup. We'll see your Jack and Jill style sinks. With your full bath, tub, and shower. They're really right there to help out. The shower hose. And you got your bathroom right there. So I think that does it for this home tour in West Sacramento. If you guys and ladies have any questions, oh, wait a minute, forgot about this closet right here. The big walk-in, this is for the women. Or the significant other with the most clothes, the items. And there you go. So now that is it. That's all we have for the home tour. And if anyone has any questions, concerns, they can always leave it in the comment section below. Almost went the wrong way. And yeah, y'all enjoy your day. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. And, turn up. All right, y'all.